Salutations! Welcome to DP Addiction Adventures. I am so excited that you are here, and you are probably here because either you saw my name or like, what she got up her sleeve again? Or you saw announcement. What does that mean? Maybe she's giving something away. Well, you're both right in your thinking. I have been up to shenanigans, and I'm also giving something away. So, the shenanigans I'm not ready to talk about. That will be in an upcoming video, but this is all about you. I am super excited. We are well over 2,400 subscribers, and as promised, I have a 2,400 subscriber giveaway. So I wanted to talk about that and let you guys know how to enroll, how to get involved. Poor Kathy, she won the 2,300 subscriber giveaway, and I'm keeping her diamond painting hostage because, yeah, I'm horrible at mailing out anything that doesn't get handed to the mailman. I work the same hours as the post office, and if I oversleep on Saturday, which I normally do, then I miss out on getting to the mail carrier. But do not worry, you will always be able to get your package. It's just delayed satisfaction. So, Kathy, do not worry, and Dixie, do not worry. Your packages are going out this week if I have to take the day off. So yeah, I just wanted to thank everybody for this journey. Without you guys, I don't know where I would be. How the channel got started is just one night I couldn't sleep. I had insomnia, and I decided, well, if they can do it, I can do it. And so I'm going to start recording my first on everything that I experience. And I just hit the go button, and I learned along the way. You know, I learned not to have your cell phone when you're recording in a vertical position. I learned that real fast because everybody told me to turn my phone. I learned how to speak a little bit louder, a little bit slower. I learned editing. I learned what diamond painting is. I learned how to have tough skin in this community, how to handle constructive criticism and not so constructive. I've learned the beauty of diamond painting and the beauty of your guys' soul, and thank you so much. And so I wanted to give back, and so the person who wins the 2,400 subscriber giveaway will win a packet of washi tape from me. I do not have it here because I want to get an idea from the winner what their color preferences are and what they really like. Washi tape, if you're new, goes around your canvas to help if there's any over glue. You know, like you can see here, there's some over glue. And sometimes I get stuff stuck in that, or I lay my hand on it, and so it's nice just to have that tape. Sometimes washi tape is used for framing, and if you don't use it, you could always, you know, use it to seal your envelopes when you mail people things and make your letters pretty, or your bills. So yeah, definitely I want to say thank you to those who are part of our team. So how to win is we actually, Creative Mayhem, Crafts with Crashly, and myself created a Facebook page, and it's something, again, it's part of my journey, something new, and I thought, what a better way than to incorporate that Facebook page. And so in order to win the prize, you will need to go over there, find the post that shares this video as a way, like go over and become a member if you're not already, and answer the questions, guys. We have to decline you if you do not answer the questions. So answer the questions and find the post that shows this video and leave a comment in that post as to what your favorite type of video from me is. You know, do you like unboxings? Do you like, you know, whip-in chats? Do you like my therapeutic videos? Do you like my finishes? Do you like, I don't know, my craziness, my Gen Tubes I just started? What is your favorite video? Like, why do you keep coming back? And that will get you in the drawing. And I will take all those names and put them in a hat and we will draw. So I'm going to keep this open until February 29th because that is Leap Day. And I just think it's fun to have something on Leap Day. So I'm going to keep this contest open till then. I don't know when I will pull the name, depending on my schedule, because I don't know what my schedule is that far out with soccer and family and band concerts. But that's what I will be doing. So I love you all. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting me. And if you want to be in the running, and what I mean by washi tape is you're not just going to get like one little washi tape. It's going to be something, you know, like this, or, now where did I put that? You know, or something, this is Christmas, but something like this. So you guys will, it's not just like a little piece of washi tape. It'll be a pack of washi tape. So I love you all. Thank you for all your support. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.